Good morning, it's Mcdaddy, camper trailing. Now in the morning we set off on our West Australian trip. Last night was horrific. We had major winds, rain. Even this morning we've got a severe weather warning, expecting wind up to 100 kilometers per hour. So, you know what, I'm really worried about my forward fold camper being suitable for this particular trip. It's springtime. It's notorious for the strong winds, so your forward fold campers with the canvas tops, number one, with all the wet weather, it might be a shit fight to get them up when you get to site. So yeah, I'm a bit concerned. And the winds, just how they're going to attack on that tropical roof, because they can act like a sail and just rip things away. So anyway, when you're going, make sure you've got your first aid kit. So there you go, guys. My forward fold camper here, the Grand Duke from Goldfields. It's basically taken anywhere in Australia. It's been a good week, but I'm just not sure that it is up to this particular trip we're doing to Western Australia. We're going through central Victoria into South Australia. From there we will go on the coast roads, going to places like Whyalla, Coffin Bay, Venus Bay, Long, and heading across the Nullarbor to Western Australia. So, as some of my mates might say, suck it up, princess. Take a teaspoon of cement. Harden up. Another thing they might say is, look, toughen up. Shit's about to get real. And the last thing I can say is, well, maybe tonight I should wish upon a shooting star. Maybe they might give me a rig that's a little bit suited to the West Australian trip. But anyway, she's all serviced, the vehicle's already new tyres, everything completely done. So tomorrow morning early we head off. So make sure you join us. Good morning, guys. Well, we got here safe and sound to Adelaide Beachfront Caravan Park last night, and we slept well in the camper. As you can probably tell by this video, this isn't the forward fold camper. So yeah, I've been keeping a bit of a secret from you, and over the next couple of videos I'll show you right through this camper. And towards the end of our trip, I'll give you a full review on this camper and give it a bit of a rating. So today I've got to go to the Rainforest Skin Clinic, so they'll be checking for any skin cancers I've got. And when I come out of it later on today, I'll probably end up looking like a Dalmatian. I'll have that many marks on the face and the arms where they've burnt skin cancers off. So look, if you're overseas and you're coming to Australia, just use your sunscreen, slip on your shirts and hats. Anyway, today, after I've been to the skin clinic, we'll be heading up to Tubby's place just to check on his pack of his camper, and then tomorrow we'll be heading off to Whyalla, which is about 4 hours from where we are here. Anyway, I'll give you updates and whatever for later on.